What is up, guys? Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about should you join the One Funnel Away challenge. And if you're not too familiar with this challenge, it recently was developed at the end of last year, was like the prototype that only special invitees got, and I joined the following one. I think it was on February. But pretty much, long story short, Russell Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels, actually created this challenge to help you start up your bit. It helps multiple things, and that's what I'm actually gonna go into in this video here. So I took this challenge twice because I've learned so much from it. It's helped me tremendously. It's an absolute game changer, guys, and I want to show you guys exactly what you're gonna get. Like, it's a freaking bargain. So much things that Russell Brunson himself throws in. And at the end, I'm going to be revealing some bonuses. So if you sign up under my link in the description below, I'm going to throw in those bonuses for you. I'm not going to tell you what the bonuses are yet. You got to watch till the end so you can get familiar with what this is and if it's going to benefit you. I absolutely think if you're in entrepreneurship or you're a business owner already, this is the thing for you. It's a game changer. It's helped me big time. I mean, I joined it twice. I paid a second time to join this. So that says a lot, right? So let's move on. First, I'm gonna give you a little demonstration video of what it is, what in Russell Brunson's words. So let's check it out.
What's the first thing I need? The second thing, and the third thing. Pretend like these are humans because they are. What does One Funnel Away mean? Like, what is the whole concept behind that? For everybody, it's different. For some of you guys, you're in a job you hate, you're trying to get out of that, right? For some of you guys, you are entrepreneurs, you got a business, and maybe it's stuck and it's not where you want it to be yet. And some of you guys, it's one funnel that helps you get the bigger impact. My goal of this challenge is to help you guys to design and architect and understand what that funnel is and how it's going to work for you specifically. Belief is the most important part involved in all of this. I need you to believe this will work for you. For some reason, people think because it's a funnel, it's like this magic nerdy thing. It's like, no, it's people are people. This is just a process we're taking somebody through. The funnel is like having the best salesperson on earth take somebody through the process and finding exactly what they need. The difference between what happens here in the store and what happens here is I don't have to have a salesperson. The funnel does the selling for you. That's what you're trying to create for them. If you do that, it increases the happiness of your customer. Then it'll increase how much money you make from every transaction, which makes it a better experience for you as well. That's what a funnel is. That's the big secret. The way this challenge is going to work, each day there's going to be new videos unlocked. Each one's going to be a mission. After that mission's finished, there's going to be some kind of task for you to do, and I need you to do it. I'm going to lay down the groundwork. Julie Stoyan will show you how to build your funnel. And then Stephen Larson's going to hold your feet to the fire and make sure you get each task done on time. Today's mission, we're going to start getting into your offer sequencing. We're going to be talking about offer hacking, the power of e-covers, publishing, story, squeeze page, sales page, order form, OTO page, how to fill your funnel, build out your dream 100 traffic, paid side of ads. It's like playing Monopoly, but at the end of the game, you get to keep the money. This is like the number one rule of direct response marketing. A confused mind always says no. The average attention span of a human being today, guess how long it is? 7 seconds. So because of that, your website is literally blocking people from giving you money. Hook, story, offer, going, grabbing someone and getting their attention. Increase the offer, you make it better, people give you money, people give you the email address, people click on your ads. That's the magic.
The One Funnel Away challenge was amazing. Thank you, Russell, for changing my life and changing my business.
For a lot of people who get into this, they don't understand the fundamentals. Because of that, it's complicated.
I literally feel like I can open up any business right now.
When you understand the base core principles of direct response marketing, then funnels become really, really simple and really easy. This process will work for you. It'll change your business. It'll change your life. But most importantly, it's going to change lives to your customers.
I'm in the 2 Comma Club.
Business is not about you just making money. But you'll find very, very quickly as you go through this process, the excitement and energy and motivation for money doesn't last long. After you start making money, what will light you up is your ability to serve these customers.
This is a dream come true, man. I visualized this over and over again.
As you see their lives transform, that's what's going to light you up. Like, that's the key. That's why we do all this stuff that we do. And it's going to be why you're building your company as well.
Wow.
If you spend the next 30 days, put in the time, put in the effort, put in the energy, I promise you guys it'll be worth it. At the end of this, you'll have something really cool to show yourself, show your spouse, show your friends, show your family. It'll be like the launch pad for your entire new companies. I need you to unglue from these external things that you're doing and just focus. Like I'm telling you to focus hard for 30 days. At the end of it, you get an income that most people can never even dream about. It's a lot of work for a concentrated period of time, but it's worth it. There's just one funnel way, and I'm excited to help you get there during this challenge.
Okay. All right. All right, guys. Who was excited after hearing that? It's crazy, man. Russell Brunson really went out of his way. He's pretty much summing up that you need a funnel. If you're not familiar with funnels, then don't be scared because this is absolutely gonna like guide you through it. He teaches you how to make funnels at the end. In the last 30 days, I think day 23 around there, he starts going into the whole funnel building. But before that, it's all the important stuff. You do it backwards. You find the offer. You find the offer that you're gonna sell, whatever. If you have a product, if you're promoting an affiliate offer, anything, he's gonna show you how to do that. He's gonna guide you. He goes through a term called offer hacking, which pretty much you reverse engineer what's already working and you make it your own and you make it better. So this challenge is pretty much for almost anybody. So if we move forward on this PowerPoint, you're gonna see these questions that he asks on his website. Please check all the questions where your answer is yes. So pretty much what this means is if you can mark one check mark on any one of these, then this challenge is the right challenge for you. So are you just getting started and have no idea where to start? If that's you, yes, you got to join this challenge. If you are in a dead-end job that you hate and you want to start your own business or start working from home, boom, then this is a challenge for you. Do you have a company that's been successful but for some reason you're feeling stuck? If that's you, boom, this challenge is for you. Are you trying to figure out a way to reach more people or have a bigger impact in the world? If that's you right there, boom, then this challenge is for you. Are you convinced that you need a funnel but not sure where or how to start? If that's you, boom, the challenge is for you. And that last question, are you about to launch your next funnel and want to make sure it's a huge success? If that's you, boom, let's do it. Let's join that challenge together. So right here, I'm showing you guys pretty much what Russell Brunson offers, and then I'm actually going in my back office of my challenge and show you guys more in depth of what you'll find in there. Oops. Hope you guys didn't see those bonuses yet. But okay, so first he's offering 30 days of video missions. So that's what he offered originally in the video. He's going to do 30 days on hand, his face, teaching you the stuff. Then it's going to be also followed up by 30 days with Steven Larson and Julie Stein. Steven Larson's kind of like that pump up guy. He's going to be motivating you, pushing you through it. And then Julie is kind of like the technical background stuff. She's going to be on the computer showing you how to make this happen. So, I mean, them three together just make this a reality and they make it work and they make it so amazing. Then you're going to get a kit. So with the price of getting this challenge, first of all, I haven't even told you guys the price. The price is ridiculously very affordable. It's only $100 and you get all this stuff, all of that, plus my bonuses that I'm going to give at the end. So for $100, I mean, I don't know where else can you get this kind of value for just $100. It's insane. Oh, and better than yet, just like I'm promoting this offer, you can too. If you sign up under my link and you join the challenge, once you do that, you're also going to get a link where you can promote the challenge as well. So if you gain any knowledge from it, if you actually love the challenge, then I advise you to share it with your friends because, I mean, why not share things that are going to benefit others? I mean, I see no wrong in that, no shame in that. You know, you got to share things that are going to help other people, impact them in their lives and do better. So, bonus number 1, a physical copy of the challenge workbook. So you're going to get this workbook in that box. You're going to get a little MP3 player. There's no image of that here, but you're going to actually... Oh, I have it right here behind my vitamins. You're going to get one of these right here. An MP3 player right there with everything included in it. So if you're ever on the go, you can just plug this in and boom. Old school, right? Old school. It's so 2000 right there. You get a 30-day hardcover book. So you get this one right here. You get this book right here. 30 days. Right here, look at this. Look at all that value. Look at all this stuff, man. This is pretty much this book right here, and there's videos about it. You're gonna see it right now when I go in there. But this book pretty much outlines 2 Comic Club members. So let's open one up right here. Pen, what is this? Pen June. Oh, it's the guy right here on that picture right there. Well, he has a whole chapter of if he had to start all over, how would he do it? So if you had to start your business, if you lose everything, it says it right here. If you suddenly lose everything, and all you had was ClickFunnels, what would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? How would you start that business up all over again? So it's pretty crazy, you know, like to actually see these entrepreneurs, there's 30 of them, see these entrepreneurs, you know, what would they do in 30 days? Like, it's insane. That's very valuable, guys. What else do you get? So we went over the book. You get unlimited 30-day interviews. So like I'm going to show you guys soon. And you get behind the scenes 2 Comic Club interviews. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead on their website. So this right here is the landing page. I might have waited too long to drop this video, guys. So I'm going to drop it today for sure because registration ends tomorrow. Sorry to bring this a little late, but March 24th, 9 p.m. Eastern Time is the last time to register. So Sunday is the last day you can register and join this challenge. But I mean, if you're convinced, you know, go on it already. But still come back and check out my bonuses because you're going to love them. So if we log in, here's my page right here. You get this whole like welcome page, right? Welcome to the One Funnel Away Challenge. And then right here is like the private group, where you're like constantly other people and pushing each other. Plus there's a Facebook group to it as well. So all this stuff is going to be locked when you join because it's going to be brand new for you. And it starts on Monday. Sunday it closes, Monday it begins. So the first week is all pre-training. It's pretty much getting your belief. If you heard Russell Brunson mention about belief and how important it is, it's pretty much showing you other people's successes and why you shouldn't be scared to fail, and get you in the right mindset where if they can do it, you can do it. Then week 1 goes into the whole offer hacking, creating e-covers, offer sequences, creating your product or, you know, affiliate offer, whatever you want to do. If you want your own product or you want an affiliate offer, boom, easy. Next, week 2 goes into story. So that's the, you know, hook, story, offer. Story is very important because that's how you connect with your viewers. So whatever you're trying to sell, you need a story to that. How did it start off? So Russell Brunson's always telling his story of how ClickFunnels started up. He's always going back and, you know, going through the hardships and showing you all that. So I mean, if you can, you know, build that bridge, that epiphany bridge with your viewers of whatever your business is, you're gonna be able to get much more sales, because things that we think people don't care about, the hardships, the bad, they do care because they're going through it themselves, you know. There's things that people can learn from. Um, then week 3 we go into the funnel building, and I'm actually, you know, we're finishing our last week, so I don't have week 4 yet unlocked, but I did take it the first time around. But so you see, you're not gonna get everything unlocked until it's the time. So that's that. Then here are the bonuses, guys. So these are all the 2 Comic Club members, 1 Comic Club members that were willing to, you know, take some time out of their time and actually do this little challenge for you guys, that book, and you know, how would they build their business from scratch. So they do 2 videos, a part 1 and a part 2, and you get a downloadable PDF aside from the actual hardcover book that you get in the mail. But I advise you to check these things out right here. It's very valuable. Dan Henry here. And you know, it's good to hear how these millionaires would go back and, you know, redo things if they had to do it all over again. With that being said, let's go back into our PowerPoint and let's get ready to show you my bonuses just for you guys. So if we move forward, my bonuses that I'm offering for you guys. So 1, I'm offering a private Facebook group. In this Facebook group, it's going to be only for people who join the One Funnel Away Challenge under my link. Most likely it's going to be a very small amount of you guys, because I mean, I'm dropping this video 1 day before it closes, so who knows how many people will actually join. If it's just 1 of you, you get one-on-one with me, even better, right? I mean, I'll give you my undivided attention. If it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, still very small, very good, where we can bounce ideas off of each other. Because I'm gonna rejoin this for a third time, just to go along with it with you guys, and give you as much value as I possibly can. And we're gonna be having weekly live streams where we're gonna like talk about week one pre-training, right? And we're gonna talk about what you learn, what you can take from it, and then we can go into giving each other ideas of what you want to do with your business. If you're a business owner and how you want to push it, I'll help you. I'll help you with that. If you're an affiliate marketer and you don't know what products to promote, I'll help you with that. We can do this together, guys. I'm also going to throw in a free $9.97 traffic course, and I'm going to show you guys how you're going to get that free course once you sign up with my link. It's about all traffic, how to get traffic, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google Analytics traffic. I'm actually developed my own free how to use ClickFunnels mini course. It's still in the works. I'm finishing it up, but I should have it ready for you guys very soon. So that course will also be very beneficial in you learning how to use ClickFunnels as a software, because that software is the one we're going to use, and that software is going to change your life. I guarantee it. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put a lot of thought into this. I want to help you guys succeed, and let's build this. Let's build this business. Let's build this affiliate marketing business. Let's build whatever you guys are working on together, and let's just succeed, guys. Remember, I'm gonna hit you with that quote I hit them the last time I dropped a video, and I'm gonna constantly be hitting this quote because I'm gonna live by this one. Remind yourself daily that you weren't born to pay bills and die. That's not the lifestyle we want, right? It's not the lifestyle we're going to shoot for. So let's do better. Let's succeed, guys. Let's get it. One funnel away. I'll see you on the other side. This was Mike Vaya. Let's go.